Hey everybody, I'm Michael and this is my shop. I am Fernie Log Carver and I'm going to do a quick introduction to this video. First of all, I'll say that I've never carved cottonwood bark before and this is my first time touching that material. And also this is the first time I've ever done a full sculpture with just hand tools. And also to say that when I set up the board and put the cottonwood bark on the board ready to go, I put the camera ready to record and then I forgot to hit record. So that's why the video starts with a partly roughed out sculpture. So all that being said, I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks.